quick reminder about the rules here. In every row, this is a row, there has to be the numbers 1 through 4. In every column, there has to be the numbers 1 through 4. Okay, so each of these 4 columns has to have 1 through 4. Each of these 4 rows has to have the numbers 1 through 4. Additionally, we have to follow the rules that are in each cage. So in this cage, these two numbers have to multiply to be 6. In this cage, these two numbers have to subtract to make 3. Okay, and then this, like, I'm just given, like, this cage is 3, this cage is 3. So what I would do first is I would look around and I would say, okay, what's a cage that I can kind of like solve right away? Like, it wouldn't be this one. The reason is this could be 1 and 2, or it could be 2 and 4. So there's actually, it could be 1, 2, could be 2, 1, could be 4, 2, could be 2, 4. Too many possibilities there. So I'm gonna find one that has less possibilities. So for example, adding to 3, the two numbers that add to 3 can only be 1 and 2. Now, is it 1, 2 or 2, 1? I'm not sure. I'm just gonna write myself a note for now. But those two boxes are gonna be a 1 and a 2. Then I kind of look at this row and I'm like, oh, well, if this is a 3 and this is a 1 and a 2, remember I have to have 1 through 4 in each row. So I have a 1, I have a 2, I have a 3. This is gonna be a 4. Oh, and then hey, look, if these two numbers have to subtract to make 2, 4 minus what is 2? Oh, 4 minus 2 is 2. And then, like, I'll just keep going. I'll go up this row. Look, oh, you know what I noticed? This 3 minus, I see it again here. What are the only two numbers that I can subtract and get 3? Well, remember, I'm only using the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? So the only numbers that are going to subtract to make 3 are 1 and 4. So this has to be a 1 and a 4, same here. Now, what I notice is that here, oh, it's going to be a 1 and 4. Which one's which? Well, there's actually already a 4 in this column. So there can't be another 4 here. This would have to be a 1. This would be a 4. Over here, it's going to be a 1 and a 4. I'm not sure which is which yet. But I notice that in this column, I already have a 3. I already have a 1. I already have a 4. What's missing? A 2. What's missing in this row? A 3. And I notice 2 times 3 equals 6. Yep, I'm kind of like checking my work a little bit. And then here I notice, look, there's only one number missing. So 1, 2, oh, I'm missing a 3. These two numbers have to add to 4. So 3 plus what is 4? That's a 1. Down here, I notice the only thing missing in this column is a 2, which means, look, coming back to my notes, this must be a 1. And then, you know what's cool is when I look back at my notes, sometimes I have new information. For example, when I made this note, I didn't have a 1 here, but now I do. So now I know a 1 can't go here, so this has to be a 4, and this has to be a 1. I'm just gonna look, there's a 2 missing, there's a 4 missing. Check your work, is 4 divided by 2, 2? Yep, looks good, okay? You go ahead and try.